Hello everyone, welcome to the Embedded Laboratory. In this video I will show you the unboxing of my Raspberry Pi 5 board along with its official case and active cooler shield to cool down the Raspberry Pi. And then I will show you how to install the Mosquitto broker and then how to test the publish and subscription of topics. In the next step, I will show you how to configure the Mosquitto configuration and then I will show you how to access the Mosquitto broker running on the Raspberry Pi from the other devices but connected to the same network. Here is a small demo. Here I am subscribing to the topic name topic inside the Raspberry Pi terminal, and from other terminal instances, I am publishing the topic name topic with some message, and similarly, I am publishing from Windows 11 command prompt the same topic name topic with some message, and these messages are received on the Raspberry Pi subscription terminal. Here Windows 11 is an external device that is connected to the same network. But before proceeding further, I would like to thank the sponsor of this video, PCBWay. With more than a decade in the field of PCB prototype and fabrication, they are committed to meeting the needs of their customers from different industries in terms of the quality, delivery, cost-effectiveness, and any other demanding requests. They are one of the most experienced PCB manufacturers in the world. I hope my video's viewers will visit their website once to show their offerings. This is the package I received from the PCBWay. This package includes the Raspberry Pi 5 8GB model, the official Raspberry Pi 5 casing, and the official Raspberry Pi active cooler. As you can see, this official Raspberry Pi 5 casing looks cool, and it also has a fan inside it. Unfortunately, this fan can't be used with the official active cooler, and that's why I will remove the fan from the Raspberry Pi case, because I can't connect everything together if this is present. This is the official active cooler for Raspberry Pi 5. This has a big heat sink with thermal pads for integrated circuits, and also a cooling fan, and since I have this active cooler, and it has a fan, which means that I can remove the fan from the official casing as I mentioned previously. Now comes the main beast, which is Raspberry Pi 5, which has 8GB RAM. Unfortunately, I am not able to make the focus setting work properly on my camera, and that's why the images are a little blurred. I will try to improve in future videos by tweaking my camera settings. This is how I connected my active cooler on top of my Raspberry Pi, and then I placed everything inside the Raspberry Pi official casing. I also connected the HDMI cable so that I could connect my Raspberry Pi to the HDMI monitor. I didn't show very simple steps like how to connect active cooler and place Raspberry Pi 5 inside the casing, as they are very simple steps, and lots of videos are already available on this topic. Now let's get started. The first step is to open the terminal and then update the Raspberry Pi operating system to the latest available version. This can be done by the command sudo apt update and upgrade. This command can take some time, depending on how old your operating system is, so don't worry, let this process complete. The next step is to install Mosquitto broker and Mosquitto client. This can be done using the command shown on your screen. This command will only install the Mosquitto broker and client, and to start the Mosquitto broker every time Raspberry Pi boots, we need to enable the Mosquitto service by using the command shown on your screen. Now we can either restart the Raspberry Pi or type the command mosquitto-v to start the Mosquitto. As you see here, the message starting in local mode only. This means that external devices cannot access this broker, and to make that happen, we need to update the Mosquitto configuration, which I will show you a little later. Before moving to this topic, let's test the publish and subscription of a topic named topic. I am opening two terminal instances, one is for subscription of topics, while the other is for publishing the topics. In the top terminal I am using the Mosquitto subscribe command to subscribe the topics with the name topic. Here -h is used to specify the host name, -p is used to specify the port number, and -t is used to specify the topic name, which is named as topic in this example. The bottom terminal is used to publish the topic with messages. Here the command parameters are almost similar and have just one addition of -m, which indicates the message information that we wanted to send with topic. As you can see, whatever message I am publishing in topic with the bottom terminal is received on the top subscription terminal. Now, let's try to publish a message from another device. In this case, I will use Windows, but it can be anything like another Raspberry Pi device, ESP32 or anything else. Here I open the command terminal on Windows and tried to send the same publish command with just a change of hostname. Here instead of localhost, we need to specify the Raspberry Pi IP address, which in my case is 192.168.2.132. But as you can see, this doesn't work for the reason mentioned previously. The Raspberry Pi Mosquitto broker is not allowing connections from other devices, and to enable this functionality we need to update the Mosquitto configuration file as shown on your screen. Just make sure to open this file with administrative privileges, else the modification can't be saved into the file. In this file, it is advised to create a new configuration file inside the folder conf.d. So we will close this file and create a new configuration file inside the conf.d folder. Now in this configuration file, we will configure two parameters. One is listener, where I will specify 1883, which means the port number, and the other setting is allow anonymous to true, which allows all other devices to connect with Mosquitto broker running on the Raspberry Pi. Now our configuration file is updated. We need to restart the Mosquitto service so that these changes can be applied to the broker. I don't know why it is not working, but it should work. Let's try to make it work in some other way. I think the best option would be to restart the Raspberry Pi. I will investigate why the service restart command doesn't work and update my blog and the comment section of this video. Here I am using the real VNC client to view the Raspberry Pi on my Windows laptop, and since I have restarted the Raspberry Pi, it will take some time to connect again. Now we are connected again. We will repeat the same steps. We will open the two terminal sessions, one for subscription and another one for publishing. As you can see, publishing from the local host, that is Raspberry Pi, is working fine, and now we will test the publishing from the Windows command prompt. It should also work now, and if this works, then it means that we learned how to update the Mosquitto configuration. So, as you can see, publishing from the Windows command prompt also works fine. From now onwards, we don't need to rely on other paid or free online MQTT brokers. We have our own MQTT broker running on Raspberry Pi, and this can be used to test and develop all MQTT-based projects. That's all from this video. If you like this video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.